This is Takeharuya channel. This vlog is my English learning journey. When I was solving a programming problem on the HackerRank, I found an interesting one. The problem is simple. I count a square integer between two numbers from arguments. I will read the problem content first. Okay. The title is Sherlock and Squares. The problem content is Watson likes to challenge Sherlock's math ability. He will provide a starting and ending value that describe a range of integers, inclusive of the endpoints. Sherlock must determine the number of square integers within that range. A note: a square integer is an integer which is the square of an integer 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Example: a equal 24, b equal 49. There are 3 square integers in the range 25, 36, 49. Return 3. It's simple problem. Function description: complete the squares function in the editor below. It should return an integer representing the number of square integers in the inclusive range from A to B. Squares has the following parameters: int A, the lower range boundary; int B, the upper range boundary. Returns int, the number of square integers in the range. The constraints in Q is this one. Test cases count. The A and B is 1 to 10 to the 9th power. It's a maximum argument value. Okay. The reason why I feel interested in it is because I had to take care of computation complexity to solve it. First, I tried to use a simple way, which is to use a function that can get the square root. I get an integer value from that floating number and I multiplied it by itself. If this value and the source value are the same value, then it's a square integer. Let's get started. Here. First, I declare a count variable. And I make a loop syntax. From A to B. That's it. Math square root function can get a square root value from this argument. This argument is from A to B range, and this power function can get the power value from those values. In this case, I get a second power value from square root. So this two value is same value. If this values is same, the value is square integer. Okay, run this code. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I have to use an integer value because this square root get a double type value. Sorry. Try again. It's okay. And I submit this code. If I submit this code, the platform run many case of test. Of course, it can get a correct answer, but it took a lot of time, so the platform gave me a failed message terminated due to timeout. The function that gets a square root use many computation cost. Next, the maximum argument value is 10 to the 9th power, so I prepared square integers from 1 to it beforehand. After that, I counted match numbers from argument range numbers. Okay, I changed this code. This equal and I change this condition. That's it. I prepared double square integer value beforehand in this variable. So I can find the value from there. Okay, run this code. Okay, and submit this code. Wow. But it has too many prepared numbers depending on the conditions, so it still uses much time. Next, I changed how to count. Just now, I made a loop syntax from argument numbers, but it had a possibility to many loop times. So I made a loop syntax from square integers prepared. Then I counted the numbers that matched the range of argument numbers. Okay, I change here. List. case equal B. That's it. I change here loop syntax and condition. Okay. Run this code again. And submit. Oh, it's nice. It could decrease the computation cost than before. Then it could count all patterns within the time limit. The past code has a loop that A to B. So if this value is 1 and this value is 1 million, the loop syntax run 1 million count times. But this case, this code don't depend the argument value. It's always loop the list of item count. So the computation cost is stable. At last, I changed the code to use a link syntax. It looks more readable than the procedural code, I think. So I change here and range where and cycle out. That's it. It's the same thing. This code loop the whole value and check this condition. Each values. Code. Perfect. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit thumbs up button and subscribe. See you.